Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family.
Wagwan, I know.
It's your girl Maria
The island boy.
and
Boy.
Island Junior.
Yeah.
Anyways guys, today is our 4-year anniversary.
Yes, man.
And we've been married for 4 years today. So cheers, babes.
Cheers.
Cheers,
baby.
Island. Yes, in the mix and the making of, our relationship, little Island
Yeah.
is here. And now, 2025, well, 2024, we had Ocean. She's in the lounge room over there, just chilling.
And it is January 16th. So, you know what I mean? Today is the day. And I mean, we've been through so much together and we're still here. You know what I mean? Lots of people doubted us and we're still here.
Yeah.
You know? So,
Yeah.
we only have further to go.
Big up to all our supporters.
Yeah.
And thank you very much for showing us love for these last couple of years that you have been with us on the Island Family channel.
Yes, man.
Yes, we don't upload as often, but when we do, we try to bring you guys bangers.
Yeah.
And reality. There's no, fakeness about the Island family, the Island tribe. This is who we are.
Definitely.
So yeah, like us, and please don't forget, share with your family and friends, guys, because as you all know, we've been struggling on this YouTube thing for a couple of years now, and we're only not even at 30,000K. We need guys like you, our supporters, to support us and keep pushing our channel so that YouTube, one day hopefully will be our only thing, maybe. We'll see,
Yeah.
Yeah.
But content coming next week. We're taking a road trip somewhere. It's gonna be exciting. So yeah, man, stick around.
Stick around, stay tuned for that, guys.
Yes, man.
Big up yourselves and cheers to us, babes.
Cheers,
4
baby.
years.
Cheers, Island. Yeah, man.
And so, guys, here's this little Ocean girl,
Mama.
Ocean. So yes, our new addition to the family,
Yeah.
and she's happy 4 months now. So
Big girl.
we just wanted to show her in the video as well to make everyone know that she's not missing.
Yeah.
Wait, Mom.
So yeah,
Mom, is Ocean 4 years old?
there she is. No, 4 months old.
Oh.
Yeah, she'll be 1 this year. Hey, won't you? Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Big up yourselves.
Big up
All right, guys.
yourself.
Peace.
Bless up.
Bless up.